Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall crystal centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need a fluted vase or any shape you like. And then you'll need a pack of these glass Tealight holders. You'll need a tall bud vase. And you'll need a glass candle holder plate. Now from Walmart, I have got some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam crystal centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. It is also super versatile. You could use this as a centerpiece, a candle holder, a candy dish. There's just any number of ways you could use this piece. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.